University of Nairobi, not Nairobi University.
Alice Muthoni Wahome niwe uma wa gatatu guthurimwo ni kamiti ya WAMURANI mbunge-ini ya bururi. Wahome ari umwe wa aria marendekithirio guthii na mbere gutungata ndundu-ini ya MINISTA akiamurwo o ringi ministry-ini ya migunda.
The ministry's strategic plan 2023-2027 kimwe gia ciuria iria ciumiririe gikaro-ini giki ari mubango wake wa kungethanira na TURIANIME sector-ini ya migunda. Wahome akihinyiriria bata wa gwika mogaruruku watho-ini wa migunda niguo kuhotithia ministry no itorie bare no.
You are aware there have been very many cases of land grabbing around the country. And we've also seen you on TV on some land which was alleged to have been grabbed somewhere in Loresho. What is it that you have been doing to address that, and what will you do that will now completely curb that vice?
I have been utilizing that section. Severally, I have impugned some of the documents because they are obvious frauds, and therefore I'm not willing to take the dirty work of my ministry to the courts. Let the person alluding or alleging that they have a good title go take me to court, and that should happen to the same for everybody. What has the fraudsters have actually taken that section and utilized it in their favor, and they have the money to influence, to pay lawyers.
Na gukiri uguo muhiuria musharisha wa aria nini mbunge-ini Junet Mohamed ni akirire ucuke njira iria Wahome akoretwo akihuthira kungethanira na TURIANIME kwa muhiano gwikinyia kuria kwina ngucanio cia migunda no we anyitirire njira eno ni koretwo na umithio.
Whether it was necessary for you to go to that scene, what necessitated you going to that place, because how many land can you visit if, as a minister, to go and that is a security issue, that is an enforcement issue.
It has worked to some extent, but I said what I need is the law to be explicit, to be clear, to be able to tackle the problem of cartel. Otherwise, nobody is safe with their title deed if we are not going to deal a death blow to cartels.
Leto egie mendekithia mako gathika igwatiria migunda ya freehold ni utumurire urugari kuma kuri amemba kamiti-ini no riu makiendekithia mawatho mothe mathurimagwo na njira ndaya na gukuruhania muingi mbere ya kuhitukio.
Proposal had indicated that the minister will designate areas where the levy will be. It was not blanket, because it is not possible to collect.
Point of order,
it is not possible to collect levy in the entire country.
Kenyans are not understanding what you want to do. When they raise questions, it is said to be propaganda, but now we have confirmed here today that it is actually the truth.
But why do you want to subject a land that is in Bungoma or Migori for a minister who's sitting in Nairobi to designate whether it will be a freehold or a leasehold? Why do you want to do that?
It was picked up and spread like wildfire. The ministry maintained a conspiracy of silence. Instead of coming up to say, it was our bill, we withdraw it so that you quell the fire, you said nothing.
Cigie ndũgamano iria ikoretwo ikirikana gukorwo ho gatagati ka ministry ya migunda na kamiti ya migunda NLC. Wahome ni ahuthiriirie gukorwo ho kwa ngucanio o yothe no na gukiri uguo ni ahinyiriirie ni gubatie gukorwo na mihaka mithathaure honge-ini ici niguo kurigiriria kuriana kwa mawira mao.
I would want to hear your firm commitment to respecting independent constitutional commissions like that of the National Lands Commission, knowing their boundaries between the work of the ministry and independent commissions like the National Lands Commission.
We've not had any conflict or fight between my office and the office of the National Land Commission. In fact, I would say that I am having quite a cordial working relationship with the chairman and his commission.
Riria athurimagwo gutuika minister wa mai, Alice Wahome ari notoga wa shiringi milioni 218 riu agitariria kamiti no kuma hindi iyo utonga wake wongererekete nginya shiringi milioni 327
327,650,000.
How much were you worth when we last vetted you?
I was worth 218,400,000.
So you have had some nominal growth.
Kidogo.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.